and they mom done fucked up their credit. Y'all don't even know that struggle because that be happening. I ain't saying mom made bad decisions, but hell, kids be pissed the fuck off because they trying to get married and go buy a house with their new family, and then they look back at their credit history, come to find out, well, there's like three or four different things that mom did to fuck up my credit. Started with a light bill, moved to a bad apartment in my name, and some other shit. It's like $34,000. That shit's accumulative quickly, right? Shouts out to owing people money because that's what they keep your ass doing. Unless you what? On the Kansas City Chiefs and you get the people to pay for your stadium repairs versus my ticket sales. I just take that money back because that's part of why my tickets is so high. I mean, come on now. You see how that goes. That's how we be talking about leveling up. You got to level up to be that boss. Because, hell, they got everybody that stay here as employees. Yeah, y'all like to see the Chiefs winning? Little y'all know what that's costing y'all on the real. Hell, you pay for a ticket to go to a game. Nah, I'm already partial owner of this place. Y'all get tax money from me. Hell, that'd be out of my check before I even see the check, right? Last time I got a check, I was like, man, I sure hate that they get all this money in taxes out. I'd like to keep that. Well, the secret to that is it being a 1099 employee anywhere you would like to have a job because since you own your own company, you can 1099 for anybody, okay? Yeah, go ahead. You can hire me 40 hours a week, 1099. I'll come in whenever I come in because it'll be 40 hours. There you go. Max them out in 2 days. Boom. Gone. Yes, all the work I was supposed to do for this week is already done within the time frame of 40 hours. And when I did it, it doesn't matter because then you give me a set list of things to do and they get done, and that's considered my work schedule. All facts, all done, out of there. Okay, Six Balls, I'm gonna ban you for saying got a phone call. Okay, I'm gonna ban you for that. You can't say phone call in the middle of my chat, Six Bows. Everybody's gonna go look for your phone call now, and they can't find it. They can't find your phone call, Six Bows. It's not a video; it's a phone call. We can't go find your phone call. That's bad networking right there. Yeah, we appreciate that though. That's hilarious. You done made me laugh. My side hurt. Ow, ow, that shit hurt. I'm gonna keep laughing though, cause hey, that's bad networking, Six Bros. This is a good thing we done rolled up a blunt, cause we gonna smoke a blunt with you. Easy video topic, how to level up and keep yourself leveling up, cause not only are you setting goals, but when you set the goal, the whole second level to it is, am I going to be setting a high score from hitting this goal? You see what I'm saying? Like, not, well, is it doable? And then am I going to be good enough to do it to where there's going to be some self accolades out of it? Like, man, I set a high score. What I, just like these other days we set high scores because we're starting to get up there with these numbers, and these numbers is all part of it. Because then once we get to those numbers, then those become the legendary numbers. Like, man, I remember building up to get to a certain point. Then once we got there, it's not hard to maintain once you get there because you just go from there. Like, boom, 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 boom. Keep up the good work, as they say. That's why you got to get used to putting in that work because it ain't gonna do it itself. Hell, you gotta build a money machine and then maintain a money machine. And then guess what you got? Hopefully your money machine because you built it and been maintaining it. That means it's yours. If not, you have access to it. Either way, guess what? It keeps it printing. It shouts out to keeping it printing. We gonna have to make that a slap one of these days too. Shouts out to the slaps. Y'all better start keeping track of my slaps So that way y'all know before we get the new designs what might be coming out. You see what I'm saying? Because